Hello there, it's Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks, and we're here at the Foundation for Lee County Schools. And special shout out to them and everything they do. I mean, it's more than just golden apples here at the Foundation for Lee County Schools. They're supporting teachers, they're supporting administration, they're supporting our kids, they're supporting our community. The Foundation, they're that link between the community and the schools, between the schools and the business world, building that bridge because, you know, it takes a village to raise a child, and it takes a child to change the world, and the Foundation is integral in that village. There are so many opportunities to just witness them in action, from the Golden Apple program, which is recognizing teachers, to the Classroom Grants program, which gives teachers the opportunity to learn how to write grants, how to be successful in writing grants, and how to obtain grants that are provided right here through those doors, and supporting students in ways unimaginable. The Take Stock in Children program, which I am lucky to have the opportunity to be a part of. I have 2 mentees, and we're always looking for more, get involved. We can never have too many mentors in our community. With all the kids, it is my vision that every kid has a mentor. And due to resources, we have great programs that are limited. I would like to see these programs be unlimited and unleashed for all in the community to enjoy. There's workshops. In addition to grant writing workshops, there's FAFSA workshops where we're teaching parents and students how to go through the financial aid process, how to fill out that application for college, how to apply for that scholarship. Again, there's a place where you can learn these things. There's a place where we can work on these things together. At the Foundation for Lee County Schools, man. Get out here, get involved. We're lucky to have something like this, and it needs your support to keep going. So support the schools, support the Foundation, and loving others, we find ways to love ourselves, And I was thinking today, I use my voice to communicate my ideas, but it's our actions that communicate what's in our hearts. Be active today. Go change the world today. Get involved today. Love someone today. Visit the Foundation for Lee County Schools today. You never know what opportunity might fall into your lap. All right? At Mark Drew Speaks, we're out of here. Peace.